Legal fights against AI companies are nothing new, but this is certainly one of the biggest ones yet. Disney has filed a lawsuit against Midjourney for copyright infringement. Disney's joined in the lawsuit by Universal, 20th Century Fox, and DreamWorks. And just to remind you of the scope of modern Disney, it's not just princesses and Mickey Mouse. Disney owns Marvel, Star Wars, The Simpsons, and dozens of other properties. Disney is claiming Midjourney committed direct and secondary copyright infringement. Secondary copyright infringement is when one provides the tools for others to violate copyright. The 110-page legal document contains dozens of examples where Disney claims copyright was violated. On the most basic level, Disney shows how you can ask Midjourney for a character and it'll generate it exactly. On the left we have Midjourney's output for Yoda, and on the right you can see the character from the original movies. Here's some examples of Stormtroopers, Midjourney on the left, and the films on the right. And here we have Iron Man, a Marvel character, and Deadpool. We also have some Pixar examples from the movie Toy Story, and down here Cars, and some WALL-E. And let's not forget Frozen. The examples are pretty exhaustive. Other examples include still photos from movies being replicated almost exactly in Midjourney. On the left we have some original stills from the Avengers, and on the right we have Midjourney's output. Here's another example, the left being the real film and the right being Midjourney. Disney also shows that you can actually get characters without specifying them exactly. In this case, the prompt was simply a popular 90s animated cartoon with yellow skin, and we got The Simpsons. Down here is black armor with a light sword, movie screen cap, and we get The Mandalorian and Darth Vader. And we also have an example of simply prompting Midjourney for a popular movie screen cap, and here we get Iron Man. The lawsuit also calls attention to the Midjourney Explore page. This is the page where users can browse the work created by other users. So for example, if you search for Incredible Hulk, you'll have many examples of the Hulk there. Same thing for Groot, and many other characters like The Simpsons. So one thing is very clear, Midjourney's lawyers will have a lot of work ahead of them. Now in my personal opinion, I'm a big fan of Midjourney's ability to create cool artwork and designs. I think it's a fascinating tool that can be combined with other creative activities. But I've never been a fan of its ability to create these results that so closely represent the original characters. We'll see if this is a death blow for Midjourney, or if it's just a matter of them implementing more filters. And the stakes are about to get even higher with Midjourney on the verge of releasing a video generation tool. Do you use Midjourney or an AI-based image generator? What do you think of this lawsuit? Let me know down in the comments below. And if you're new to Midjourney and you want to use this tool to do things other than create Disney characters, check out my crash course tutorial right here on YouTube. I'll leave a link in the description below. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.